Desert dreams, where adrenaline meets the dunes. Picture this, a wide-open desert, the sun beating down. You twist the throttle and feel the power of your dirt bike between your legs. It's more than just a ride, it's freedom. And what better place to push your limits than the dunes? The desert is a playground for thrill seekers. It's a place where you can test your skills and push your machine to the max. It's about feeling the wind in your hair as you fly through the air, landing with a satisfying thud on the soft sand. Whether you're popping wheelies or hitting jumps, the desert offers a unique and exciting challenge. It's not just about going fast, it's about style, control, and pushing your boundaries. So are you ready to turn your desert dreams into a reality?
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Mastering the moves from wheelies to whips. Let's talk stunts. Every rider has their favorite. A wheelie is a classic. Lifting that front wheel and feeling the balance. Want more airtime? Jumps are your thing. Then there's the backflip, the holy grail of dirt bike stunts. It's technical, requiring perfect timing and a whole lot of guts. But landing it? Pure magic. Remember, every trick starts small. Practice in a safe environment, gradually pushing your limits. And always wear your safety gear. Helmet, gloves, the works. Gearing up for glory, safety, and practice tips. Safety first. The desert can be unforgiving. Always wear your helmet, gloves, goggles, and protective gear. No exceptions. Practice makes perfect, and finding a good spot is key. Look for areas with different sized dunes and jumps. Start small, gradually working your way up as your confidence and skill grow. Don't forget the importance of bike maintenance. The desert heat and sand can take a toll on your machine. Regular checks and cleaning will keep you riding longer and safer. Conquering the dunes, the thrill and challenge of desert riding. The desert is a challenging terrain. The sand shifts and moves, requiring constant adjustments. But that's part of the thrill. You're not just riding, you're conquering the elements. Wind, heat, and changing terrain, the desert throws it all at you. But overcoming these challenges is what makes it so rewarding. It's about pushing yourself and your machine to the limit and coming out on top. So, get out there, feel the adrenaline, and experience the thrill of desert riding. Remember, it's not about being the best, but about having fun and pushing your own boundaries. Keep practicing, stay safe, and enjoy the ride.